Hey, good to see you. If you're new here, I'm glad you found us. And if you've been around a while, you already know I keep things simple and useful. Today I'm diving into how to turn on your electric fireplace, tweak the settings and troubleshoot if it's acting up. This one's for anyone who just wants their fireplace to work without the guesswork. Brought to you by the Trade Table. Let's get into it. Turning on an electric fireplace is quick and easy. Just press the power button on the unit or remote and adjust the heat and flame settings to your preference. Whether you're looking for warmth on a chilly night, or just the cozy glow of flames without the heat, electric fireplaces are designed for convenience. Safety first, check before you power up. Before you turn on your electric fireplace, do a quick safety check to make sure everything's good to go. Check the power source. Plug the unit directly into a wall outlet. Avoid using extension cords or power strips. If it doesn't turn on, test the outlet and check the breaker. Clear the area. Keep furniture, curtains, and anything flammable at least 3 feet away. Make sure vents aren't blocked so the unit can breathe and stay cool. How to turn on an electric fireplace. First, check the power button on the unit. Most electric fireplaces have a switch right on the front or side. Press it and you should see the flames kick in or an indicator light. Next, the remote. Many models come with a remote so you can turn it on and off, adjust the heat or play around with the flame settings, all from your seat. And if your fireplace is smart home ready, you can use Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Alexa, or Google Home to control it with your voice or a phone app. That's a nice touch for hands-free comfort. Adjusting heat and flame settings. Most units give you multiple heat options. You'll usually see low, medium, and high. Great for setting just the right temperature depending on the weather. Want the cozy look without the heat? Many electric fireplaces have a flame-only mode so you can enjoy the ambiance all year round. You can also adjust the brightness of the flames, and if your unit is a higher-end model, you might even be able to change the flame colors to match your mood or decor. Troubleshooting. Why won't my electric fireplace turn on? If your fireplace isn't turning on, don't panic. First, try resetting it. Look for the reset button near the power switch and hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds. Next, check the power source again. Make sure it's plugged in, the outlet is working, and the breaker hasn't tripped. Some models also show error codes if there's an issue like overheating. Check your manual to decode the message and get things running again. Turning off the fireplace. When you're done, just press the power button or use the remote to shut it down. Some fireplaces run a short cooling cycle before turning off completely. Don't unplug it right away. And if you're not using it for a while, unplugging the unit altogether can help save energy and keep things safe. Electric fireplace FAQs. How do I turn on my electric fireplace? Just press the power button or use the remote. You can adjust the flame and heat settings however you like. Why won't my electric fireplace turn on? Make sure it's plugged in, try the reset button and check your circuit breaker. Can I use it without heat? Yes, most electric fireplaces have a flame-only mode so you can enjoy the look without the warmth. Enjoy your electric fireplace with ease. Now that you know how to turn on and adjust your electric fireplace, you can enjoy warmth and ambiance whenever you like. Whether you're using a simple power button, remote control, or smart home integration, these fireplaces offer effortless operation and comfort. If this helped you out, do me a favor, give the video a thumbs up, tap that subscribe button, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. I've got more simple guides like this coming your way. And if you're thinking about upgrading your space with a new electric fireplace, check out thetradable.com. I've got quality options and everything you need to stay cozy, comfortable, and in control. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.